Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. When it comes to getting serious work done, ordinary laptops aren't sufficient. Desktops can offer the most power, but the complete lack of portability makes them less ideal for some users. That's where workstations come in. These laptops bring the performance capabilities of gaming laptops. Also, they bring the features and security considerations that professionals need. After watching this video, let me know about your thoughts on Lenovo P53 in the comments. Let's get started. Lenovo ThinkPad P53. Lenovo ThinkPad P53 is an incredibly powerful mobile workstation. It's not going to be the most attractive laptop, but it's a powerful workstation. That's why ThinkPad P53 is thick, and weighs around 5.5 pounds. This high-power device is designed for engineers, architects, designers, and programmers. It's acknowledged as being more than capable of rendering VR, and handling data-intensive AI projects. Lenovo ThinkPad P53 is not geared towards the average consumer. Design. The P53 is meant for work above all else, so its design isn't a priority. It comes with a black metal and plastic chassis, and durable-feeling hinges. It has excellent build quality, and it gives a premium feel. You get a magnesium aluminum chassis that we've come to expect with the ThinkPad lineup. The chassis of this device doesn't flex under any amount of pressure. It is portable, although not by Ultrabook standards, but by workstation standards. Not only would this allow you to get work done, but you could play games on this device. It offers plenty of options for user upgradability. It has a fingerprint scanner, and it works very well. Display. The display is one of the best features of this laptop. ThinkPad P53 does have a stunning 15.6 inches display, and it comes with multiple display options. It's an anti-glare display, means you don't get unnecessary reflections. Lenovo claims, you will get up to 500 nits in terms of brightness. The display is very bright, and undoubtedly suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It covers the color gamut really well, 99% sRGB, and 76% Adobe RGB. You can enjoy fantastic contrast, refined detail, and super vibrant colors. Whether you're creating or viewing multimedia, you'll love the visuals. So, it is a good choice for creative professionals, those work on Lightroom, Photoshop, and video editing. It certainly doesn't have the slimmest of bezels, but don't forget this is a mobile workstation. Performance. Lenovo ThinkPad P53 has the Intel Core i7-9850H with a 6-core processor. It also has the NVIDIA RTX 5000 graphics card, with 16 GB of video RAM. It will get the job done, thanks to its powerful GPU and CPU inside. It is fantastic for 3D model rendering, AutoCAD, and video editing. This device certainly packs enough power to play games as well. It offers playable frame rates in Fortnite, Overwatch, and Apex. There's plenty of heat vents on this device, to help with the cooling. Keyboard. Lenovo ThinkPad P53 has an excellent keyboard. It offers good-looking keys, good tactile feedback, and perfect key travel. The fantastic keyboard will give you an enjoyable typing experience. It will make you feel comfortable to type on for extended periods. It also has a multi-stage backlight, allowing you to get work done in the darkroom. It does have a numeric keypad, which is great for Excel spreadsheets. Also, ThinkPad P53 has a perfect touchpad. It's a precision touchpad, and it is very responsive. The two-finger scrolling worked well, along with the Windows 10 gestures. The track point on the keyboard is very responsive as well. Connectivity. There is no shortage of ports on the ThinkPad P53. Lenovo arranged the laptop's ports logically. The ports you're likely to use frequently are located on both sides of the laptop. The ports you're likely to use often are located on the back side of the laptop. The bottom, sides, and rear of the machine feature air vents. On the left, you get a HDMI port, two USB 3.1 Type A ports, and a SD card reader. On the right, you get a USB 3.1 Type-C port, and a Kensington lock port. You get two Thunderbolt 3 ports, an Ethernet port, and an AC power port on the back side. The ThinkPad P53 features Wi-Fi 6 certification, the fastest Wi-Fi ever. Battery. You get some decent battery life on ThinkPad P53. The 90 watt-hour battery offers around 7 hours on regular use. So, you can get pretty much close to all-day battery life, depending on what you're doing. If you do intense graphics work, you're going to take a hit on the battery. This battery offers a pretty good result, considering how much power this packs. Speakers. The audio from the P53 speakers is above average, except for an absence of bass. The instruments and voices are clear. The overlapping tracks are easily detected. The audio is so excellent, you'll think it's live. Webcam. The webcam comes at 720p with 30 frames per second, which gives good quality. The webcam comes with IR capability, and support for Windows Hello. You get more privacy and security, as it has a shutter switch in the front-facing camera. You can skip password using fingerprint reader and face recognition webcam. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. ThinkPad P53 is a mobile workstation powerhouse. The machine is bulky, but it packs a ton of power into a reasonably portable case. It is designed to fulfill the role of a full desktop PC for designers and developers. It's available with impressive performance and a bunch of different display options. It delivers epic performance with tons of storage on board. You get a full keyboard with a number pad and a 3-stage backlight. It's a very robust system, with lots of ports available for the user. Since the P53 is meant for professionals and engineers, it's packed with security features. The P53 performs well in most benchmarks. It is a costly device, but those looking at this aren't concerned with the price. The Lenovo ThinkPad P53 Workstation is worth your money. Specification Table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the latest and detailed laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the pricing and availability, you can check the description and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.